Yeah, basically, as you can see, the game is getting bigger, getting more functions, and yeah, it was kind of chaotic to spawn 1,000 enemies. Um, yeah, my PC isn't that good like from GDI, so my PC can't handle 1,000 enemies. Um, yeah, basically, my PC isn't that good to handle so much enemies, but it will never happen in the normal game. It will never come to that over 1,000 enemies are on the board. In the game, you're basically having you're having mostly 200 enemies at a maximum on the board, and even that it's not even that much because um yeah, basically if you just playing the game and you're placing a tower to defend your base, so basically this cube is currently the base. Yeah, if you're placing down towers to defend your base, you're killing the enemies. The enemies are just getting destroyed by the towers. I will also implement a lot of towers that doing AoE damage, so that means damage in a specific area. And yeah, basically that's it. Yeah, that's basically the thing. Yeah, what I want to say now is, yeah, basically my game is getting better and better, and I'm implementing even more and more. Let me show you really quick something. What I just coded and struggled even a bit. My movement system. My movement system is running with heartbeat, and this movement system is running with heartbeat, and I'm moving the enemies with C-frame. Yeah, basically, yeah, that's it. Yeah, let me just return that to the normal, because yeah, the normal is just the best way to play, because that's the first wave in the game. The enemies, so the normal, the both enemies will have 8 HP. That's normals. They have a speed of 4 and a health of 8. And yeah, as you can see, I'm the enemy. Oh my god, I'm the enemy. No, basically, I will add enemies soon, but currently, I'm just using my own character as the enemy. You might thinking, hey, how you did that? That the enemies have at a specific speed have a different walking animation. Well, basically, I did that with my starter player, and in the starter player we have something called the yeah, I didn't name it, but that short name the animation handler. So enemies.child edit connect function child. Then we just set up 4 locals: the humanoid, the speed, the animation, and the load animation. Then we are using pcall to yeah, to prevent warnings and errors. Humanoid is set by child wait for child humanoid, and the speed is set by child wait for child speed. If speed.yu is bigger or equals 7, then animation equals child wait for child animate dot run anim. Else, so if the speed is lower than 7, the animation becomes yeah, basically the animation just becomes the walk animation. It's nothing special, and the enemies are just walking through the base. Basically, currently we don't have base HP, and yeah, that will nothing do. All right. Yeah. So if humanoid, then load animation equals humanoid animator load animation. The animation is saved here we're saving the animation and loading the animation and saving the load animation. And after we save the load animation, we're playing the load animation. The loaded animation is a loop animation. That means we don't need to play it over and over again. We're just playing it once, because no, and walk animation is looped. Yeah, basically that's it. Yeah. By the way, join my Discord server for more sneak peeks, because you only get all these sneak peeks if you're on my Discord server. I only post big sneak peeks, like the collision system, what I just showcased in this video, the movement system, what I just defined in this video, and also I made the paths even longer, and even I can just add some waypoints. I could basically just add waypoints and make the map even way longer. And yeah, basically out of this I can basically just go ahead and make the path even longer. I could make the path like go there, go around and go there, and then going back to the portal, and then if the enemy is getting back to the portal, I can just destroy the enemies. Kind of good idea, I guess, but yeah, that will be the first map. What you can see here, that will be the first map, and I'm currently seeing the first map. And yeah, basically, if you place a tower here, you can shoot them here. If the enemy is getting through here and here, you can shoot them. Basically, if you place an enemy here, you shoot them here, here, and here. So basically, you can shoot them here, here, and here if you place a tower here in the middle. You basically could also place a tower here, or even here. You can shoot them here, here, and here. Basically, I don't need to tell you how to play in tower defense game, because I guess you played a lot of tower defense games. But basically, yeah, as you can see, this game is currently pretty good working, and we're setting the speed based on the enemies. The enemies are in the extra. I need to stop that. Oh my god. The enemies are in an extra module script called enemies. Normal have a speed of 4 and health of 8, and the model is the same like the basically if I have enemies later, I can set up the models really easy with this thing. I also increasing the size multiplier, so I'm just adding something like size multiplier, because if you have an enemy that's big, and I will just make something called modifiers in the game. The modifiers give you extra reward. But this extra reward also causes that you have a way harder wave and way harder waves to beat. Basically, one modifier is huge enemies. Huge enemies will double the size of the enemies. I could show you this really quick. If I just do that and then go there and just saying size multi. Yeah, we just called size multi. Size multi is 2. Are just even saying 1. The size multi is... No, we don't even need to set it here. Actually, we need to set it on a spawn. We just having something called configuration. In that configuration, we just game config, and the game config have something like int values, and that's basically the size multi. Yeah, that's the size multi, and the size multi is currently on 1. Yeah, and the size multi is on 1. So the size multi we set on 1, and if we set it on 1, we can basically just say something, hey, we want to increase the size of the enemies if there's a size multi or not. I could basically just go ahead and enemy.parent. Yeah, that's a parent. We just setting the C frame plus vector3.new. Yeah, we just spawning it up a little bit. 0 to no, basically we just calling the enemy the humanoid root part dot size dot y, and we are making it times 2. All right, no, not times 2, so divided by 2. And basically, yeah, that's it. And then we just saying we want to increase the size of the enemy. If we're increasing the size of the enemy, the humanoid rupert gets bigger by itself. How we could do that basically? It's really easy. Local function change we could just call it change size, and we giving parts. No, we're not giving parts. We just calling the function and getting the enemy and giving the enemy. So yeah, the enemy have something in it that's called, where is it? Where's the replicated storage? There it is. Okay. Then we have in a humanoid. We have in a humanoid something, and the enemy dot humanoid dot, and now we want to increase the size of, is it depth scale? Yeah, it's depth scale, it's high scale, and it's basically head scale, because yeah, we need the high depth scale, the height scale, the width scale, and the head scale. So 4 scales. Humanoid dot body depth scale equals times equals, and then we just say game dot workspace dot game config dot size multi dot value. So then we're gonna say enemy dot humanoid dot body body 5. My god, we height scale times equals game dot workspace dot game config dot size multi dot value. Then we need the enemy dot humanoid dot body width scale, so wide scale, game dot workspace dot game config dot size multi dot value. Enemy dot humanoid dot that's just called head scale equals game dot workspace dot game config dot size multi dot value. And we just can set up this size now. We're setting up this size. We're just doing that. Change size, and then we just say the enemy. So basically, yeah, the enemy would be just cloning. So yeah, that's it. If we just press play, the everything should be fine because it's just multiplied by 1, and multiplied by 1 is just the normal value. What's going on? Enemy attempt to perform arithmetic non instance and number 40. Enemy 40. Maybe I should say wait for child, I guess. Or we could say if enemy, then and could say for that and just saying local humanoid, then local humanoid, and then we're just making a pcall function, and we're just getting the humanoid equals enemy. Oh, huh? Oh my god, I did a mistake. So there we go. Okay, now we can just say humanoid equals enemy. Wait, find first child humanoid. So if we have a humanoid, then we could basically just say boom, bow, and just calling for each humanoid and humanoid and humanoid and the humanoid. But we still need to do a wait for child. Wait for child. And we're waiting for the depth scale. Getting this name, copying it, pasting it. Copying this name. Wait for child. There we go. Why it's not working? Oh my god. What am I doing? Value. I need to set the value in. Oh my god. I guess I didn't need to wait for child or even something like that. I could basically just do something like that and just saying boom. I guess that should work, I guess. I guess that should work because that's all values, because that's a value. That's basically just a number value. So let's test it out. I just forgot volumes, and that's why it's not working, I guess. But we're having some pcall and some error safety. Humanoid Rupert is not veiled member of Enum. Huh? Where the fuck you got this? Enemy.cframe? Eman.enum? Enum? What? Eh? Enemy, you bitch! Boy, man, are you freaking... you freaking annoying, man. Yeah, that's working. The enemy's walking perfectly. Nice. And the speed is at the same. All right. Yeah, looks kind of a hopping out of the out of these yeah, you know. Now we're just increasing the size multiply by and saying 2, and now we're having 2 times bigger enemies. Let's see if it's working. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shit! That's working perfectly! Oh shit! Oh my god. Yay! Oh, I love it. Holy shit. Okay, let me just do something that we prevent bugging. Yeah, I need to turn off the collision. Can collide is off. All right. What about what about we just say we increase the size by 5? I'm just wondering how big the enemies are now. Oh my god. Oh shit. It should be 2.5 now. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey, the movement system is still working. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god, I need a screenshot. I need a fucking screenshot. It's insane. Okay. Okay, one more time. But this time we're increasing it by 10. Oh my god. Oh shit, the enemies must be so big now. Holy shit! Holy shit! That's fake, boys! Holy shit! Yeah, it looks kinda sus because they're not walking perfectly fine. And yeah. Oh shit. It looks so weird. It looks so weird. But it looks funny. Not gonna lie, it looks pretty funny. And boom, 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 and they're just disappearing like nothing. Yeah, I hope you had fun in this video and you learned something about programming. And yeah, see you in the next video. And hope you had fun. Yeah, and basically join my Discord server because we're doing some giveaways with Roblox. And yeah, I just appreciate all of you if you just join my Discord server and we could chat because I chat with everyone. So see you in the next video. Join my Discord server and see ya.